In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to freeze rows in Google Sheets to make navigating your data much easier. Whether you're managing a massive spreadsheet or a smaller dataset, freezing rows can be a game changer in terms of keeping your headers or any important information always visible. Let's dive right in and go step by step through this process. First things first, you need to open your Google Sheet. Once you've got your spreadsheet up and running, you'll want to direct your attention to the top of the screen. Here, you'll find the View menu, which is your gateway to various display options that can tailor your Google Sheets experience. Click on that View menu to unfold a list of available options. As you explore this list, you'll need to hover your cursor over the Freeze option. This is where Google Sheets gives you the handy ability to keep certain rows locked in place while you scroll through the rest of your document. It's perfect for keeping your headers easily accessible, no matter how deep you dive into your data. Now comes the decision-making part. You'll be presented with a few choices. If you're looking to pin just the very first row of your sheet, you'll select the option for one row. This is ideal if your top row contains headers or critical information that you need to keep in view as you work through your data. Alternatively, if your spreadsheet design requires both the first and the second rows to remain visible, simply select two rows. This is particularly useful if you have a two-line header or additional instructions that need to always be seen. The third option on the list allows for a bit more flexibility and personalization. You can choose Up to Current Row, which will freeze all rows up to the one you've selected. The X in this option signifies the number of the row you've highlighted, so make sure to click on the row number you want to stop at. This is particularly advantageous if you're working with more than just a couple of header rows or custom sections that need constant visibility. Once you've made your selection, you'll notice an immediate change in your Google Sheet. The row or rows you've chosen to freeze will remain at the top and visible to you even as you scroll down through the remaining content. This is especially useful for keeping reference points at a glance as you process large amounts of information. An additional tip to confirm everything is set up correctly. You'll see a thin gray line appear under the frozen row or rows. This line acts as a visual boundary, indicating that everything above it stays fixed in place. It's a simple but effective tool to help keep your data organized and your workflow uninterrupted. And there you have it, a straightforward way to make your Google Sheets experience more manageable and efficient. Implementing these freezing options will streamline your data navigation, making it easier to view and analyze information without losing track of your key headers or important data categories. Thanks for watching, and happy spreadsheeting!